Hi there, thank you for watching my video today. Today I am bringing you another beautiful yet exciting project, and this is a drawer easel card. This is a easel card and it has a drawer at its base which opens up and it has a surprised filled in inside. I have put in some treats because I am making these on commission basis, so you can adapt the design for this for any occasion that you are making it for. I have put over here some sentiments which says Ramadan Mubarak, may this holy month bring you peace, prosperity and happiness, and this is the name of the person who is getting these made. So very easy to put together, not difficult at all, and this looks just so beautiful when it is put up on the table like this. You can decorate it as you want. I have chosen some soft colors for this, and as you can see it has a tiny little opening handle over here as well. You can totally add brads or any other hardware that you want. So for this you need a piece of cardstock that is 7 7/8 of an inch by 8 7/8 for the drawer. So on the short side, which is the 7 7/8 side, you are going to score at 1 inch, and on the rest of the three sides you're going to score at 1 and 2. This is going to be a reinforced drawer, but the reinforcement is going to be only on the three sides. It's not going to be reinforced on the back of the drawer. If I open one of the drawers for you, so let me just open this, you can see that it's not reinforced at the back. It is just a single sheet of paper, but it is reinforced on all the three sides. Okay, so just put it back like this, and this is the scoring for the drawer. Then for the sleeve in which the drawer is going to slide, which is this outer cover, you need a piece of cardstock that measures 8 inches by 11 inches. Okay, and on the short side you want to score at 1/2 inch, 1.5, 6.5 and 7.5. Okay, then rotate it, and on the long side you want to score at 5 inches and 6 inches. This is going to be the sleeve of our drawer. Then you want a piece of cardstock for the easel part of the card, and that measures 5 inches by 10 inches, and on the long side you want to score at 2.5 and 5 inches. Okay, then you want a piece which is 5 by 5 inches squared. This is the same card in the color of the entire box. And then for the mats and layers, this mirror cardstock measures 4 3/4 squared. This pattern paper measures 4.5 inches squared, and the sentiment measures 2 5/8 squared, and the mirror cardstock, which is the matte layer for the sentiment, is 2 7/8 squared. So you can make this bigger, you can make it smaller, you can put it on one side, one corner, as I have put them over here because I really wanted this floral pattern to show up on this. But here I have used this rainbow plaid, which is same all around, and I put it in the middle over here. Then you need two pieces of mats and layers, and this one measures 5 inches by 1 inches, and the pattern paper is 4 3/4 inches by 3/4 inches. And then you need another piece which is going to be the front of our drawer, which is this part here. This measures 4 3/4 inches by 3/4 inches, and the pattern paper measures 4.5 by 1/2 inch. Okay, then you need a teeny tiny piece which makes the handle of the drawer, and this is 2 inches by 1/4 inch, and you need to score it on the long side at 1/2 inch and 1.5 inch. So the score lines that you've made on this handle are going to be valley folds like this, and you want to take your bone folder, and just in the middle portion you want to bring some curve, and this is going to give you the shape of the handle. Okay, we're going to paste it like this. So let's just quickly put our easel drawer box together. This is the card. Just fold it in half, just like other easel cards. Just put it on one side. For the sleeve, you want to fold and burnish all the score lines again, and we are going to cut them all one by one. So now for the bit of cutting, this is the piece of the drawer, and with this one score line facing towards you, you are going to cut these two squares which are on the side. You're going to get rid of the outer square completely, and this is going to free up this tab which is going to join the flaps of our box together. So taking a notch out of this square on both the sides and taking it out completely. Then rotate your box to 180, and you're going to cut up till the second score line completely. And you want to get rid of these two outer squares and then this outer square only, because we want a tab which is going to hold our box together. So taking a wedge out of these two tabs as well. This is very easy to put together, just like other reinforced gift boxes. The reinforcement gives it some strength if you want to put in some heavy gift inside. So like this, you're going to join the tabs with the side flaps. So put glue on these tabs and then join them together like so. And then over here as well, this just a tad bit of the score line is left here. Then we're going to join these two tabs too. Here as well. Here. And this one too. Okay, now for the reinforcement, I am going to put glue on these flaps, and these are going to be folded inwards like this. So do this on all the three flaps and reinforce the box. Just push it inside like this, and with your bone folder, just give it a good press. And now the flap which is going to make the front of the box. Like so. Like this. Then the mats and layers, which measured 3/4 of an inch by 4 3/4. I'm putting this right in front of the drawer here like this. And I'm going to add glue to the 1/2 inch sections of this teeny tiny handle as well. And I'm going to then leave it to dry till we put together our sleeve and the easel card. So put it right here, make sure it's in the center. So it's 1.5 inches on this side. No, it's not centered, so I need to move it a little bit to this side. It's in the center now, bang on. Just give it a good press so that it doesn't move. Now for the sleeve or the wrap of the drawer, this is something that you have. You have this 1/2 inch section here, this 1 inch section, then this middle section, and then the same 1 inch and 1/2 inch section here. So you need to get rid of this entire section on one of the sides. So all this and all of this is going to be removed, and then you have this small rectangular section up here. You're going to remove this as well. Okay, so let's just cut this out. Just taking it off like this, then cutting up the other school line as well, because we want to free this tab to join the sleeve together. Taking a notch out of it as well, like so. Doing the same on this side too. And taking this entire section away. Okay, so this is what you are going to be left with. Let me take away all these pieces from here. Okay, this is a T-shaped structure that you're going to get. Now put glue on these 1/2 inch tabs, sorry, 1 inch tabs here and here as well, and then just join it like this. Here. And then putting glue on these 1/2 inch tabs here. And then folding this down to attach to this section. This. With my bone folder, I'm going to just burnish and spread out the glue on this. Now at this point, you want to put in your drawer in your sleeve, and you want to see that everything really fits in together, because that's the last thing that you want to happen. Okay, so just put it inside, make sure it's all secure, and yeah, it's good to go. Okay, so now this is the easel card here, and I want to put glue on the back of this base, and this is going to join to the top of the sleeve. Just fold it all flat and put it on top here. this. There's a slight overhang. To cut it. Okay, and this panel, which is the front of the easel 5x5, is all going to be stuck onto this 2.5 inches section. So put glue only in this section here. And then stick it to it. Like this. Okay, now for the stopper, this is the other section that I gave you the measurements for. I'm going to put some foam at the back of this strip, and it's simply going to just sit in front of the easel part so that it stands. And I think I'm going to just put it here. Make sure it's straight like this. Just give it a good press, and there you have your easel box card with the drawer. Oh yes, I need to put in the treats as well. So I'm going to carefully open the drawer, and I'm going to put in the treats that I have already packed. Spread them out a little bit, and there you have your easel box card with a drawer. Yeah, it has turned out pretty beautiful. Just look at how the golden cardstock is catching light, and how the plate of the pattern paper is just showing up so much on the blue background and the mirror cardstock. As you've seen, it's pretty simple to put together, and I am just going to bring in the other two that I have made. So yeah, here they are, and I hope that you have liked today's video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.